Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Find My iPhone option disabled on iPhone. So if it's disabled similar to what I'm seeing here, something like this is actually terrible, but I'm going to show you how to fix this. Pretty easy. Now I'm gonna head over down here. You should be able to see Face ID and passcode. Just go ahead and enter there and basically type your password right here. And then from here, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down and you're looking for something called Stolen Device Protection. Click that one and then make sure that you are disabling this one. Now what happens is if we are going to go back there, find my iPhone below, you are now able to disable this. So I'm gonna click this one just like so, and now it's asking me to confirm the password. Basically it's telling me, or it wants to verify if I really am the owner of this phone. And yeah, that's how you're going to fix Find My iPhone option disabled on your phone.